Hello, Colorado Landmark Realtors. This is Alyssa, and today I'll be showing you how to navigate through Leading RE's website and also getting to Institute. So we'll go to access.leadingre.com and put in your username and password. If you do not have one, please let me know and I can make sure you get an account or get your password resent to you. So now we will just sign in. And automatically you are brought to your dashboard. You'll see that there are options to click on there, including Institute. If you navigate over to the left, there is a menu there as well with all of the options for your dashboard. So now we will navigate to Institute. Go ahead and click on the green box on your dashboard. And you'll see that there are quite a few different options for the courses that you can take. We'll click on Take a Course. And now you have leadership, sales, certification, marketing and technology, all the way to ninja selling courses. For now, we'll click on marketing and technology. You have 4 different categories, each of which have quite a few different webinars included. And for today, we'll go to online marketing. As you can see, there are a lot of different webinars that you can take. Tutorials, Facebook, Instagram, and today I'm going to click on the Instagram for marketing. Also know that there are worksheets that you can download for each course as well. So we'll click on Open Course. A new pop-up window will show up and you have your instructions for the course, and then at the top you can click Learn or you can click Next in order to navigate to the course itself. If you'd like to test your knowledge after you've taken the course, you can click on Test. Click on Start Test. And now you have some multiple choice questions. So we'll exit out of this. And up top you see that you have your course catalog and all of the different types and categories of courses that you can take. Let's see what ninja selling has. So there are 2 different categories here. If we click on Principles of Ninja Selling, you'll see that there is a course here for $69.95. So you can register and take that whenever you'd like. If we go back up to Course Catalog and click on Sales, there are plenty of categories that you can choose from. Today we'll click on Listing Success Plan. And as you can see, there are quite a few classes here as well. All right, so we'll navigate to our other tab, back to our dashboard, and here on your main menu, you can see that you have access to Leading RE News, Member News, Industry News, and then if you continue to scroll down, you have some webinars listed that were probably more recent, as well as top news headlines. Now we can navigate back up to the top of our dashboard and click on Marketing and Branding. This is where you'll find a wealth of resources that Leading RE provides to all of its members. Most importantly, you'll actually find a webinar library here, and you can search any and all past webinars that Leading RE has hosted. So ultimately, this is what the page is going to look like. And you can search and find pretty much any webinar you might be looking for. So we'll navigate back to our dashboard using our menu on the left-hand side. And as a resource, know that you can connect with other Leading RE members here. It'll show you who's actually online using their account. And then you can also edit your profile here as well. Right, so once you click on Edit Profile, you will be able to upload your photo, change your name if you need to, edit your bio, and all of that is accessible to all the members. All right, that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.